part goes that way instead of this way like a big D?
Yeah, I love that,
look.
Bert.
Hey, welcome to Sesame Street. Hi.
Hi, yeah. I'm glad you're here.
Hi.
Hi,
Hello.
Maria. Hi.
So what are you two up to?
We are making up a poem, Maria, and we're using the letter D.
Yeah, that's the D right there, see?
Well, that's great. Can I hear it?
Well, gee, our poem isn't quite finished yet, you know.
Well, that's all right. Let me hear what you have so far.
You really want to hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show you what we got. D is for Dalmatian, a dog who has spots.
D is for donut.
And D is for, see, we don't have anything for that part.
Yeah.
Well, you know what you've got so far is very good. Why don't you start again, and maybe it'll come to you.
That's a good idea, Maria. We'll just take it from the top. D is for Dalmatian, a dog who has spots.
D is for donut.
And D is for dots. Like the dots on my feet. Like the dots on my feet.
Oh. Oh.
Gee, what are these dots doing all over my feet?
Oh, Big Bird, they're all over your toes and all over your ankles, and they go all the way up your legs.
There's even one on your tail, Bert.
Oh, no. Oh, what are these dots doing all over me, Maria?
Well, gee, Big Bird, I don't know, but I'm sure that there's nothing to worry about. Still, I think maybe we ought to have a doctor take a look at you.
A doctor?
Yes, I'll call Dr. Matthews and see if she can come and take a look at you. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, I wonder what it could be.
Oh, dear.
Can you get a little to the left? Boy.
Big
This
Bird, look
itch.
who's here to see you, Dr. Matthews.
Oh,
Hello,
Dr.
Big Bird.
Matthews.
Hello.
Hi.
And this is Big Bird's best friend, Snuffy.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing much better than Bert. He has green dots all over him.
Yeah, I have these itchy green dots all over me. Look, they're on my feet, and they're on my wings. I even got them on my beak now.
Now, how about in your mouth?
I don't know.
Say ah. Yes, I can see them inside your beak, too.
Really? Oh, no. So what is it? What's wrong with me, doctor?
Well, Big Bird, it looks like you've got the birdie pox.
The birdie pox?
Well, yes, but it's nothing to worry about. Almost all big yellow birds get the birdie pox when they're about 6 years old.
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, there you go. It's right on schedule.
Is it serious?
Oh, no, it's not serious at all.
Well, how do I get better?
Well, it just takes rest. You can't go out and play, and you have to stay in your nest and rest.
Stay in my nest and rest?
Oh, dear.
All by myself?
No, now you can have visitors as long as they're not 6-year-old big yellow birds.
His friends can come in the nest and play with him?
If they're not 6-year-old big yellow birds.
Well, isn't that great, Big Bird? You don't have to be alone.
Yeah, but when are these itchy birdie spots gonna go away? I'm so itchy.
Now, Big Bird, I'm a birdie pox expert, and I know more than any other doctor in the world about birdie pox. And I can safely say your birdie pox will be gone by the time you go to sleep.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, then, hey, that could be easy. I'll just go to sleep right now. Excuse me.
They all
Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird, Big Bird.
What? Huh?
I think the doctor meant when you go to sleep tonight.
I'm afraid that's exactly what I meant.
Oh,
Nice try, Bert.
thanks, Nuff. Well, what about my itching? Ouch.
Well, you know what? I can take care of that. Why don't I just put some ointment on those dots?
Okay.
Here we go. Is that good?
Yeah, it feels better.
Yeah. Let's see. A little on your beak.
Oh, yeah. Didn't know my beak could itch.
Right there.
Oh.
Ah, Big Bird. I heard you were sick.
I am, Count. I have the birdie pox. See? See all these green dots all over me, on my wings. I got them all over my toes. I got them all over my beak, see? I have to wait till tonight for them to go away.
Well, that is why I, the Count, who love to count things, have come to help you.
Well, how are you going to do that?
I am going to count all your birdie pox.
Well, I don't know if that's really going to help me. But I do know how you could help me.
How's that?
Well, I feel sort of tired, so you could sing me a little song to help me fall asleep. And then when I wake up, maybe my birdie pox will be gone.
But, Big Bird, I am the Count. I count things.
But Count, please.
Wait a minute. I just had a wonderful idea. We will cooperate. I will sing you a counting lullaby to help you fall asleep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pox, rest your wings. 7, 8, 9, 10, as I count your green things. 11, 12, and 13, Pox, now close your eyes. As I count 14 green dots on your thighs. 15 and 16, now hang your head low. 17, Pox, 18, on your big toe. 19 and 20, to sleep now you'll fall. And I've counted 20 bird pox in all. Yes, I've counted 20 bird pox in all. Ah, yes. I love it. 20 wonderful birdie pox.
What? Oh, Count. You woke me up with your thunder.
Oh, I am sorry, Big Bird. Oh, but I just thought of another wonderful way to help you feel better. I'll be right back. Don't go away.
Well, what now?
All right, Big Bird. I have another wonderful way to make you feel better while you have the birdie pox.
Oh, yeah, Count? What's that?
I am going to count all the children I brought to keep you company while you're sick. Hatsumi, that's 1 friend. Courtney, that's 2 friends. Brandon, that's 3 friends. James, Aki, and Andrew, that's 4, 5, and 6 friends. Aaron, that's 7 friends. Kaylee, that's 8 friends. Leora, that's 9 friends. And Jarvan, that's 10. 10 wonderful friends who've come to help Big Bird feel better.
Hey, you know what? This does make me feel better. Thanks, kids.
You're welcome.
Hey, Birdie. Whoa, how are the birdie pox coming along?
Oh, Snuffy, it's terrible. I'm really angry because I'm tired of being sick. A whole bunch of friends came to visit me, but now they're in the park and I'm stuck here. I want these birdie pox things to go away now.
Oh, dear. Well, wait a minute, I got an idea, Bird. Why don't we just tell those birdie pox to go away?
Oh, Snuffy, you know, that's a brilliant idea. We had the answer all along, didn't we?
Yep, and we didn't even know it.
Okay. All right, Pox, listen to this. Hey, you green dots, get off of me. Go away. Shoo, shoo. Leave. I don't want you on me anymore now. Go away now.
They don't seem to be going anywhere, Bird.
You know, maybe Birdie Pox doesn't have ears, so they can't hear what I'm saying. Huh?
Ah, good thinking, Bird.
So, I have another idea. I'll simply shake them off.
Where do you come up with these ideas, Bert?
I don't know. Sometimes these ideas just come to me. Okay, here I go. Shake them off. Shaking off these feet. Shake them off my feet. Shake them off. Are they flying off there, Snuffy?
Well, not really, Bert. It, doesn't seem to be working.
Oh.
Wait a minute, Bert. I got an idea. I could blow them off with my snuffle.
Snuffy, you're just so wise. Okay, take it away. I can do it.
All right, here goes. Well, Bert, are any of them flying off yet?
No, nothing's coming off. They're all stuck to me. Snuffy, I don't think we can make these birdie poxes go away, no matter what we do.
Oh, dear. Wait a minute, Bert. There's one more thing we can try, but we have to wait until we see the first star come out.
Really?
Yep.
You ready, Snuff?
I sure am, Bert.
We're gonna wish on the first star there up in the sky, see?
Yeah.
We're gonna make a wish on it.
Are you ready, Bert? 1, 2, 3.
Starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might, have the wish I wish tonight. I wish that all my birdie pox would go away now. I wish the green dots weren't there anymore.
And that goes double for me, 'cause Bert is my best friend.
Aw, Snuff. And now? Oh, look. They're still here, Snuff. Look. I don't think I'm ever gonna get better.
Oh, sure you are, Bert. Oh, dear. It's getting kind of dark out. My mommy's gonna be looking for me.
Oh, yeah.
I better go home now.
Okay, Snuffy. Well, thanks for being with me, old buddy,
I'll
old pal.
check on you again tomorrow, okay?
Okay, Snuff.
Bye-bye, Bert.
Bye,
I
Snuff.
hope your birdie pox are gone tomorrow.
I was really hoping that would work, but it didn't. I don't know why. Why should I have these things?
Oh, Big Bird, what's wrong? Big Bird, why are you crying?
I'm scared.
Oh, what are you scared about?
Oh, Maria, I've been sick with these birdie poxes now for a long time. I'm afraid I'll never ever get better.
Oh, Big Bird, of course you're gonna get better. But it's just a matter of time. Oh, look!
What?
I can't believe it. Your birdie pox are starting to go away right now.
Huh?
Look at your legs.
Oh, the dots are gone.
And your wings. The dots are gone from your wings.
Wow.
And your beak. All the dots are gone from your beak.
My beak?
Yeah.
Wow, you're right. Oh, well, what about my tail?
Turn around. Oh, gone. Nothing.
Wow,
Oh,
I'm
big-
all better.
Yes.
I knew I'd get all better.
Yes, you...
Sort of.
Well, why don't you get some rest and go to sleep?
What a good idea.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letter D and the number 0. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop. Adios.